Hi everybody, our DIY face mask series continues, and this time I'm going to show you how to make a face mask with no-sew tape. Now, if you don't have any of the no-sew tape, you can either use a hand stitch in this, or I'm going to put a link in the description below with some other face masks that you don't need anything but the fabric you're using. But this one also actually molds around your nose with a really secret, unique contraption. So I'll show that to you in just a minute. All right, you want to start out with your fabric. You want to fold it over, and you want to go 10 inches wide all the way up. Just cut that up. And then you want to go 8 inches long, but since it's folded, once you unfold it, it'll be 16 inches. So it's going to be 16 by 10. That will be your fabric size. Okay, see this right here? That is the attachment to a coffee bag, and that will mold around your nose. You're gonna put that at the top of the fabric, and you're going to make sure you don't adhese in the thing that goes around your nose. You really kind of work that part in. Once that's done, you're gonna iron that on. And then you're gonna go to the bottom part and just kind of finish it off for an edge. So you're gonna have kind of that molded thing on the top, and then just an edge finish off on the bottom down there. Really, when you want it to adhere, use your hot iron, and then you really kind of use some water in that. You fold that bottom part up so it matches just underneath the top. That's gonna be for your filter, your pocket filter. Now we take the adhesive and we're going to kind of finish off those sides. So it's like sewing the sides. Really get it good. You're going to do the same thing on the other side, and voila, you can see your little filter pocket. Now we're going to take just a t-shirt. If you don't have any strings, you can cut out some like long strings for the part where you're going to attach it around your head. We're going to take that adhesive tape right there. You want to fold it over, but you want to make sure you do not get the adhesive tape to attach to those strings, because you want those strings to kind of pull. So you're going to kind of have to work through that. If there are any loose parts, you just take a little more of the adhesive and kind of work it in like that. Okay, do it to the other side as well. Fold it over. See how sometimes you get some loose parts? That's okay. You just take your adhesive and just kind of attach it to that as well. And just make sure it's done really, really, really well so it sticks tight. And what I would suggest is just taking like a little stitch and by hand attaching that to all corners, so the adhesive will get loose over time and that stitch will keep it intact. All right, so just keep working it so it's nice and firm. Now you've got that mold right there at the top that you'll be able to mold around your face. You can put in a filter, or if you don't, I've seen some experts say, hey, just put in a paper towel and see how you pull it like that. And there you have your DIY no-sew face mask. You put it on over your head like that, mold it around your nose, tie it in the back like that. Of course, I'm making a series of DIY no-sew face masks. I will put them in the link below. If you don't have no-sew tape, I'm going to put a couple in the link below on how to make them without sewing or without no-sew tape. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please share this with all of your friends so we can win the fight on coronavirus together. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll talk to you soon.